Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get better Marvel Rivals console, only way. Start by picking one character and learn their basic movement, attacks, and escape options. Drill fundamental combos until they feel natural, then add mix-ups that punish predictable reactions. Warm up with simple hit confirmations and defensive timing before ranked matches. Review each match for one specific improvement and repeat this loop to steadily raise your play. Build mechanical habits that hold up under pressure by structuring practice routines. Start with 5 to 10-minute warm-ups focusing on essential combos and reactive blocking. Next, isolate one technical skill like dash canceling or air control and practice it until consistent. Record short practice sessions to spot repeated mistakes and correct them deliberately. Consistent micro-practice beats occasional long sessions for reliable improvement. Quick recommendation: if you game long, grab those leak-proof meal prep containers to keep meals ready between sets and avoid sticky controller breaks. They stack neatly, save time, and make healthy eating easier when you are grinding practice. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making tips like this. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Tune your mindset by setting one clear goal per session, like landing a specific combo or reducing jump-ins. After each match, note one actionable takeaway instead of dwelling on the result. If you feel tilt, step away for a short break and reset with a calm routine. Over time, these small mental habits compound and keep you making steady progress during both casual and ranked play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.